In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently categorize your card transactions to better manage your finances. Having your finances organized can significantly reduce stress and provide a clearer picture of your spending habits. So let's dive in and make your banking experience simpler and more effective. First, we're going to start by accessing your online banking platform and navigating to the section specifically dedicated to card transactions. This is where you can view all of the transactions you've made using your debit or credit card. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you have a long list in front of you, but don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable steps. When you look at your transactions, you'll see each purchase or payment listed, often with several columns providing details such as the merchant name, date of transaction, and the amount spent. It's crucial to review these carefully so that you can accurately categorize them later. This practice not only helps in organizing your finances but also in identifying any suspicious activities or errors that might have occurred. Now let's move on to choosing the proper income or expense categories for each transaction. This step is key to providing a holistic view of where your money is going and coming from. Usually your bank will have preset categories like groceries, dining, utilities, travel, and more. Assign the transaction to the most fitting category. For example, if you've recently dined at a restaurant, you will categorize it under dining or meals. This helps in understanding your spending patterns, quickly identifying where you might be overspending and adjusting accordingly. Imagine for a moment how categories streamline even further down the road. Once you've consistently categorized your transactions, making a monthly budget or a yearly financial overview becomes a much easier task. You can see at a glance where the majority of your money is being spent and decide if adjustments are needed to meet your financial goals. Once you've carefully reviewed your transactions and assigned each to a proper category, it's time to save your changes. This is a critical step. Most banking platforms will have a save option prominently displayed, so make sure you click it to ensure all your hard work in categorizing doesn't go to waste. Remember, this simple step not only records your efforts permanently, but also updates the financial overview within your banking platform. In conclusion, categorizing your card transactions can truly transform how you handle your finances by giving you more control and insight into your spending. By dedicating a little bit of time to properly categorize and save your transactions regularly, you set yourself up for more effective money management and financial success. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy